Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell joins me on the desk in Henderson County with the burn ban. Surrounding counties, though, are also pretty dry right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And we just have seen the rain turn off for us here this month. 30 days ago, we just had too much rain. Yeah, it was so much of it, and we really could use a break in terms of seeing some rain chances pick back up. We needed a break toward the end of August, and we've got it, but now it's really leading to some dry conditions. Look at the lack of rain compared to 30 days ago. A big deficit for us here. You notice areas of orange and red. That's an indication that compared to 30 days ago, we were behind between about 2 to 4 inches of rain. Now, that's just a 30-day comparison for us. We could really use some good soaking rain to help things out, but it has just been a dry month. We had some rainfall last week and some of you getting some rain today, but all in all, only 2/10 of an inch reported from Tyler Pounds Regional Airport in Longview, 1/3 of an inch of rain. Lufkin picking up just over a 1/2 an inch, but look at the departure from normal. We're looking at between about 1 3/4 inches to about 2 1/4 behind for the entire month, and it's unlikely that we'll pick up that much rainfall before the month comes to an end. If there's any good news with that graphic is that we do have some rain chances that may pick back up toward early next week. I'll look outside for us right now. We've got some clouds rolling in, so that's going to mix with the sunshine. Not expecting any precipitation central and northern areas, and the chance is fleeting very quickly in deep East Texas. 86 right now, dew point. That's the big story for us, is that drier air continues to move in. That drier air moving in from the northwest heading to the southeast. So it's still humid in deep East Texas. Dew points there into the lower in the mid-70s, but the drier air is on the way. It's just going to take some time. It's been breezy the last couple of hours. Pretty decent northerly and northwest winds between about 10 to 20 miles an hour. A couple of isolated showers in our southern counties. We'll show you that on the radar momentarily, but upper 70s to the lower 80s, and as the sun will set, the temperature is going to drop quickly because the north wind will remain in place. It'll take some time in deep East Texas because you have greater moisture content. We showed you those dew points there in the mid-70s. A couple of isolated showers near Zavala. We've had some in portions of San Augustine County and Shelby County a bit earlier. Most of the storms are in Louisiana, and I just think this chance is going away very quickly. Tomorrow morning, mid-50s to near 60 degrees. Coldest temperatures, northern areas. That's because your skies are already clear, and those temperatures will drop fast for tonight. And tomorrow afternoon, only looking at lower to mid-80s for highs. The first day of fall starts tomorrow, and that is at 2:20 in the afternoon. Now, Thursday morning, get ready. Colder temperatures. We have upper 40s and low 50s area wide, a very light wind. So Thursday morning certainly will be the coldest start for us. On the 7-day forecast, sunshine will abound in the afternoon. The breeze will help, so enjoy that through about Thursday. By Friday, the wind gets lighter. That means the temperature will warm up and it turns to the southeast, and that will eventually bring back the humidity. As I mentioned, rain chance perhaps next Tuesday. We really could use some precipitation. Deep East Texas, it's cooler, it's breezy for tomorrow. That's why outdoor burning not also in the forecast